as clear as I can hear someone speaking next to me. I heard both male and female voices in harmony and union speak these words. Ecstatic dance is the new yoga. My first thought was, what is ecstatic dance? At the time, I was living at an ashram in India, and part of my teacher training was to go into silence without any communication with the outside world while doing yoga and meditation for 17 to 20 hours per day. During my 6 months of silence, one day in meditation, I received an insight that ecstatic dance is the new yoga. However, I had no idea what that meant. I could clearly understand dance, but what was ecstatic dance? My journey to discover, learn, and embody ecstatic dance led me to channel, align, and birth the 44 key codes and the journey of healing dance as a pathway of self-discovery and conscious awakening. During my journey, I became self-aware of how I wasn't connected with my body. Through the years of meditation, my mind was calm, clear, and efficient. However, my body was another story. When I realized I wasn't in my body, my prayers to the universe became a single-pointed focus. As I placed my hands on my lower belly and stood in the Pacific Ocean, I prayed to God, Goddess, and all that is holy to show me how to gain mastery over my body, energy, and my womb. Following the call to learn, study, and embody dance, whenever and wherever the universe guided me, I studied with many and danced with thousands. Embodied practices every day until the dance became part of my DNA and cellular memory. I began to change my patterns, relationships, and the entire course of my life. I began to witness mastery in many areas of my life and a synchronization that could only be explained as divine. I realized that once you become self-aware and see the dance or story you are in, you can then begin to change it. In the dance, you give the past trauma, stress, and tension a place to be expressed and released. When you dance, you let go of the old and open up to new ways of being. The first key code and core principle of Heal Through Dance is freeform movement. Freeform movement means that you move and dance without choreography or steps to learn or follow. Without choreography, the dancer can find new ways of moving, which translates into new ways of being and thinking in daily life. Ecstatic dance is based on freeform movement. The word ecstatic comes from the Greek word ekstasis, meaning to become unstuck or free from blocks and to flow into a more natural state of being in relationship to the universe. It means to disconnect from the mental modifications of the mind and move into a state of trance or pure being. In a state of trance, without the mind, the body's innate wisdom comes to the foreground and takes over in our conscious awakening and healing process. Dance is about movement. Ecstatic dance is about using free-form movement to become free from our blocks and helping us move into a more natural state of being where we can access our innate abilities, gifts, and talents. Freeform movement is a way for us to become unblocked from patterns and habits in the physical, mental, and emotional body. Freeform movement helps the dancer to let go of control and experience states of joy, bliss, and elevated consciousness.